Here's Friends of Friends dating app. So I just got invited. You need invite code, and basically this is how it looks like. So you just have an account, and then you need to invite friends, and you need to search for a contacts. And the more friends you invite, the more and then you can just send a message just like that, for example. And then the more friends you invite, the faster you'll get into the app. And yeah, so this is the app. It's getting some traction. So this is the app. Meets through mutual friends. So this is the idea. This is a new trend of dating apps and other apps that you don't wanna just meet or speak to a lot of just strangers, a lot of random people. You wanna be in your social circle. You only wanna meet people from like friends of friends of friends of friends of friends. Like that's it. You don't wanna go that much far away from your normal social circle. And this is the app which you can explore. Meets from mutual friends. It's just launched. It doesn't have that many users, but check it out.